I'm not in a hurry with anybody's cousin, so hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be vlogging my day basically, because I tried the weekly vlog thing and my mind is not there yet. It's not coming to me. So right now I'm having my breakfast. I think I need to watch something while I'm having my breakfast. I'm just having French toast, avocados, French toast and smoothie. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. I like to mix different things sometimes. I don't know if it's healthy, but oh well. So this is what it looks like. This is nice.
This is a problem with you. Like, if it's not your way, it's the highway.
No, this is the problem with you. You don't keep the same energy. Do you understand? When we first started,
I just finished my breakfast, right? And while I was having my breakfast, I came across this show on YouTube. I don't know if it's a show called Trend Central. Boy oh boy. So there's this girl Chioma from BK Chat or Black Chat, I don't know how they pronounce it, and she's there with her partner and they're in a therapy session, right? And then there's another couple who is there with the same therapist, right? I don't know if you guys are going to check it out though, or in case you've seen it, I want to comment on it. I'm so triggered to comment. Can we talk about how Paul is so dismissive of the therapist? Like, we get it, you do not believe in therapy. Like, he keeps asking the therapist the question she's asking him. At a point he started asking her questions like, why? Just answer the questions. For me, I believe therapists ask questions to be able to get a view on how the relationship is. This therapist does not know you guys from Adam. She doesn't know what's going on in your relationship. So when she asks this question, is to have a background image of what your relationship is like. And when she like directs a question to him, he's so, I don't know, I wouldn't say defensive, or I don't know, it's just weird and it's very cringy. Like, Chioma literally states what she feels is wrong in the relationship, right? But he just picks up one word. That is so frustrating. That is so frustrating. It's so annoying when you're trying to have a conversation with someone and they ask you a question, but instead of answering the question, you like beat around the bush. I understand you might try to make a point, but just answer the question, man. If you guys have watched this couple therapy, no, blue therapy, is it blue therapy or trend something, I'm going to put the name in the description box below. I'm not promoting anybody, just want us to know what's happening. But it's interesting. I'm usually not someone that would watch this, but I'm just curious to see how therapy works. I'm just going to finish this episode and then I'm going to go on with my day because bruh. Hi guys, so I don't know if I did a proper intro before I had my breakfast. So today is Friday and it's the first day of the 3 weeks lockdown we're experiencing in Turkey. I think this is like the 100th lockdown we're having, because I'm not understanding. I don't understand. Other countries are opening up, why are we closing? But it makes sense though, because the cases like soared like ridiculously. So today I'm spending it at home. I wanted you guys to see how my day is like. So I just had breakfast and now I want to clean up a bit because I haven't really been at home and my house has been a mess. So they fixed my curtains. I got them last week and I collected them the day before yesterday. And I got my chair was delivered the day before yesterday as well. My work table has been fixed. I think I posted it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me so you see my updates. I'm going to put a link to where I got the table from and the chair. My curtains, I got them from Eskiji Bazaar. I don't know if you stay in Turkey and you're around Esenyurt. You know Eskiji Bazaar, the place you buy furniture from. So there's a story behind my couch. My couch doesn't have like the last arm and it's literally depending on Zara boxes right now. It's the ghetto. So I got my couch from IKEA. When they came to fix it, the arm was broken, so they could not fix it. They told me it would take 2 days and it's been what, 3 weeks and my couch has still this is a sad smile, but they later, I called them, I kept calling them every single day, and they told me they would come fix it on Tuesday, next week Tuesday. So I'm hoping they do that, and I'm hoping they can come, because I hope I don't hear stories about the lockdown with my chair, because I want it fixed so I know what next I'm getting. I'm really working on a budget with furnishing my house. It's taking time, but I'm really glad to how far I've come with the house. So that's my reading table and the chair, and this is the curtains. I got like, I don't know what color this is. Let me try to face the light. But this is the color of the curtains. It's just very nice. And then I got like the inside one as well. Are they called blinds? They're not called blinds. What are they called? And I also got like plain curtains for my room, like just the plain one. I didn't get the inside. Anyways, yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So now I'm going to clean up the house, and then I'll come back to you guys. So I'm finally done cleaning up. Like, I took my time actually. So let me show you guys the situation with my couch. Like I mentioned earlier, when they came to fix it, this arm was broken. So I pretty much just set up the chair and just use these two Zara boxes to hold it. So I only sit on that part. I was honestly tired of sitting in my room, and it was getting frustrating. So I was just like, you know what, I'm going to DIY this thing. And yeah, so I'm going to wait for them until Tuesday. So this is the work table I got. I like that it has like shelves here where I can put books, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I just got this chair as well. Cynthia was coming to see me, so I think she's at the door. Yep, she's at the door. So Cynthia is here.
Hi
Came
guys.
to see me. Yeah.
For spaghetti asu.
She came to eat. I'm just going to chill with Cynthia and so I'm having lunch, and I made Cynthia watch the show I was talking about this morning. So she's there watching it. She's already irritated.
This guy.
And this is what I'm having for lunch. It's just spaghetti and goat meat. So I'm done with my lunch. It's time for me to start doing this ingredient thing. I got this, what you call this? I don't know what you call this thing, but I got these things from Trendyol. So I got these containers from Trendyol because I low-key wanted a pantry. I don't know if that makes sense, but oh well. I wanted to use it to store some of the things I'll be using. So these small ones, I'm going to use them for my ingredients and all. And then I'm just going to see how it goes. Okay, I'm just going to randomly put things, and then I'm probably going to put like cereal and all that good stuff in that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to start adding the ingredient in these things. I also got this small wooden spoon to pack up the spice. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I saw it and I liked it, and I was just like, you know what, I'm going to get it. I got this from an Arab store, a random Arab store I saw. So yeah. So I have arranged the kitchen, I guess, I believe. Well, the cupboards actually. This is where I decided to put my plates, cups, drawers, and then I put plates, cups, drawers, what? My cups, my plates, and like my smoothie blender and just extra plastic. So that's going to be like that for now, okay? And then for this part, I just arrange this here. I cook very close to this place, so why not just arrange it here? So I just put my spices here, and then here's like my cereal and all this extra stuff, and there I have my eggs and all like boxed or packet food stuff. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know what to put there. It's just a mixer that's there for now. Anyways, and so yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just put like my extra food stuff things here just because I don't have space for that right now. I might change this pattern. So that's pretty much it for now. I'm still figuring out like where I want certain things to be and how I want the house to be for now. So I'm just going to take my time. I'm not in a hurry with anybody's cousin, so yeah, I'm taking my time. I think I'm going to get more of the containers for the spices. Yeah, I'm going to get more of that and just see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, now Cynthia and I
Igbo, yeah.
In the apple. It's not even Igbo. Anyway, Cynthia and I are thinking of going out for a walk because it's like, I feel like it's just a nice cool spring evening. So we're thinking of going out for a walk just to stroll because bro, we can't be in this house 24/7 for 3 weeks. It's just the first day, and then probably go see Cynthia or go chill with Cynthia at her place for a while before I come back home. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, hi guys. So I literally just got back from my walk, so I just wore this face cap because I couldn't be bothered to wear a wig. Okay, it's a cool day today. So yeah, we just went for like a stroll, more like a chilled stroll, just having conversations and all, and it was really nice. It was really nice. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to go take a shower and just chill, some admin work. That's how my day is like, and that's the update on my house. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.